It is Wednesday, January the 2nd, 2013, and I'm bored out of my mind. It's about 18 degrees outside. So I got this in the garage here. We've been doing a little testing on it. Ran this about a year and a half ago and had some carburetor problems, which turned out to be a float issue. I want to thank the guys at John's Old Mercury Forum for bringing that to my attention there, and especially Fast Jeff for walking me through his bench test method on the carburetor, which worked really well. Anyway, we had it out like about a year and a half ago, and like I said, everything ran pretty well except for it didn't want to idle very well, and the bid range was kind of choppy, like it was flooding out. But top end, it ran really well. So finally getting around to figuring out the carburetor today, pulled it apart, found out what the problem was, put it back together, and I've already had it running here, as you can see. Excuse me for the crudeness of this, but it's very cold outside and my barrel's long been drained, so bear with me here and I'll fire it up. And as you can see now, it idles like it should. I'm very impressed with that. Once again, I want to thank the guys at John's Old Mercury Forum for helping me out on this and various other projects. And just to let you know, I do have a fan going over here, and I have my door open, my messy garage here, but so the fumes don't get too crazy there. But once again, thanks everybody. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see this on the boat soon on the Alumacraft.